My name is Diana Garcia Perez. I am 20 years old. I studying in the Instituto Atenas, a preschooler teaching. I really like my career. Well, my favorite book is this, Donde Habitan Los Ángeles from Claudia Celis. It's amazing and I don't know, it's beautiful. I really like it. This is another thing I love it. It's the chocolate. I really love the chocolate, but it's bad. Well, I really like shopping when I am free. The clothes and dress and everything will be me crazy. I like dancing, go to the movies. My favorite movie is Harry Potter saga, The Hunger Games, comedy movies. Well, I really like the cinema. It's amazing. My family. This is my mom, my brother, and my nephew, my beautiful nephew. I really love my family. It's the most important in my life, and I don't know. This is my another nephew, Carolina. His name is Carolina. And well, I really like my family. And another thing, go to the gym. I like go to the gym. I'm running. I like running in the boulevard. I really like it, but the time for the school, it's not right. But well, so I think this class is so amazing. I really like it. I like the English, but I am not good. So thanks and bye.